So, good morning, students. How are you? So, all of you are fine and enjoying your study, okay? So, we are continuing from yesterday's topics. Our topic's title is Food, where does it come? Okay. So, in previous classes, we seen what are the main constituents of foods, what are the components, which are carbohydrate, proteins, fats, and which are the sources. Okay, so from the sources of foods we are continuing now. So in previous classes we seen about what plant sources. Okay, plant sources of food. Okay, so in which we seen about what vegetable, tea, coffee, spices. So these are, and with the help of photosynthesis process, they producing their food in the form of glucose, okay, and stored in their leaves. So today we are continuing from animals source of food, okay, animals source of food. So animal source of foods means every day we eating number of foods. We have different food habits, okay. So we taking the different form of the food. So in that every day some of you are taking milk, or some of you are taking tea, okay, and again many more things from which is made up by the milk, butter, ghee, and again what मट्ठा है ना, दही, कर्ड जो होता है. So these all the things will be made up by the milk, okay. So we are taking milk yielding animals, okay. अब milk yielding animals कौन से हैं, है ना, which are the milk yielding, are milk yielding का मतलब है producing, okay. So milk yielding animals, which of them? So कहाँ से मिलता है अपने को? दूध वाला लाके देता है, बट दूध वाला कहाँ से लाता है? So milk is producing by cow and buffalo, okay. So here is for the question again, buffaloes and cow, okay. So buffaloes and cows, these are the what? Milk producing animals, okay. Next, meat. So some of you are eating what? Meat, and some you know that meat also eating at our home, okay. So meat, from the meat will we get like sheep, goat, sheep, goat. So these are what? And again some countries are somewhere is eating what? Pig, okay. And meat of pig is known as pork, okay. Meat of pig is known as pork, okay. So these are the what? Meat yielding animals, and meat is rich in what? Proteins, and they are useful for the body maintaining, okay. So these are the very much better source of proteins, okay. So poultry products, so all of you know the poultry, okay, है ना, जो chicken जो होता है. So poultry products are rich sources of protein, have right kind of fat for the good health, okay. So जो poultry जो होती है ना, मुर्गियां जो होती है, so these are very much best source of proteins for the good health, okay. Next, अब देखो जो and these are what? Poultry animals, which of them? Hen, which are the poultry animals? Hen, duck, turkey, okay. So these are what? Poultry animals. They lays the eggs and again what? Producing the meat. in the very much source of proteins. Okay, so all of you again eating what? Eggs. Okay, so eggs, when we are boiling the eggs having some white material outer side. Okay, so first of all egg has what? egg ऐसा क्या होता है? egg में ऐसे egg होता है, ठीक है? तो egg में जो outer क्या होती है? सेल होती है, ठीक है? Okay, so this is what? egg. Okay, and this outer cell is what? made up by the calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate. So if you are watching the eggs of hen, okay, so outer, that is the calcium carbonate. So when we are boiling it, so we observing that here is what? the yellowish color what? which is known as the yolk. Okay, and yellow in color, and again that there is what? the whitish or white in color, which is known as the albumin. So the egg has the yellow color का क्या होता है? yolk होता है, and these are rich in what? fats, and albumins which are rich in what? proteins. So hard cover of the eggs is due to the what? presence of calcium carbonate in the at the outer side of eggs. Okay, so next है fish. So many of you are eating what? fish, है ना? So fish is a major source of food rich animals. Okay, and fish are very much best source of proteins, है ना? जो फिश होती है उसमें क्या होती है? अलग अलग टाइप्स की क्या होती है? उसमें प्रोटीन्स होते हैं, and they are very much useful for our health. Okay, and fish are very well in digestive systems, and they are good source of proteins. Okay, so we again what? taking the food from the fish also. Okay, so all of you know the number of fishes: katla, rohu, margad, and shipness. Okay, so these are the kinds of, then paplets, shrimps. So these are what? the fishes. Okay, so somewhat the freshwater fishes and somewhat the seawater fishes. Okay, so next, so fish are the source of the various forms of cooked in the dried forms, pickled forms, and so on. Okay, so जो फिश जो होती है तो क्या करते हैं? उसको बेक भी करते हैं, भुजी हुई जो मछलियां जो होती है ना, एंड उसके बाद में टैनिंग और कैन करके क्या किया जाता है? उसको एक्सपोर्ट किया जाता है, ठीक है? सो नेक्स्ट है हनी बीज. ओके, एंड द साइंस एंड आर्ट्स, ओके, सॉरी, rearing and management of the fish on a large scale, which is known as what? pisciculture. Okay, so what is the pisciculture? Okay, pisciculture, it is a rearing and management. Okay, rearing and management of fish, so which is known as what? pisciculture. नेक्स्ट है हनी बीज. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू नो द हनी, डाबर हनी, है ना? डाबर हनी जो अपन यूज करते हैं, उसके बाद में पतंजलि का जो हनी यूज करते हैं, या फिर जो बेचने वाले जो आते हैं. सो हनी बीज आर इन दैट, ऐसे क्या होता है कि नेटवर्क होता है ना? सो ऐसे जाली में ये होता है. सो हियर इज व्हाट? हनी बीज आर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग द नेक्टर्स फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स. ओके, यानी सुगरी लिक्विड्स क्या करते हैं? जो ये है हनी बीज है, दे आर टेकिंग द sugary liquids from the flowers and they are इस क्या बोलते हैं, इस कॉम में क्या करते हैं, उसको मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं, ठीक है, स्टोर करते हैं. सो दीज आर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम दीज कॉम्स, ओके, उस जाली में से क्या किया जाता है, उसको जो मधुमक्खियों के द्वारा जो बनाई जाती है, हनी बीज के द्वारा जो बनाई जाती है, उससे क्या किया जाता है, उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, एंड विच इज नोन एज बी हाइव्स. ओके, बी हाइव्स. जो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, बी हाइव्स बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो द इन द बी हाइव्स द हनी बीज आर storing the nectars from the different flowers and fruits. Okay, and they stored in that. Okay, and producing what, honey. So honey is very much useful in the medicine and very much as a food. Okay, and these are the antiseptic in nature. Antiseptic in nature means that suppose if we are getting our cough and so on. Okay, so due to is that our throat is very much dry, so these honey will acting as an antiseptic on that. Okay, so the अब जो हनी बीज जो लार्ज स्केल में जो उसको ये किया जाता है, हनी बीज आर इन द लार्ज स्केल इज रियरिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट्स. ओके, एपीकल्चर. एपीकल्चर. So apiculture means that rearing and management of honeybees in large scale. So rearing and management of the honeybees in the large scale, which is known as apiculture. Okay, इसको क्या कहा जाता है, apiculture कहा जाता है. So and in our India, the different states people having different their food habits. Okay, at our village also, at our cities, towns, and at our home also, the every person having the different their food habits. Okay, so you know that though idli, sambar, rice, these are the main food constituent in the southern states. Okay, and again what, Bihar, that is the rice, chapatis, sattu and so on. Okay, and Gujarati peoples are what, chapatis, rice and vegetables, and थेपला है ना, क्या बोलते उसको, थेपला है ना, थेपला एंड ढोकला. सो दीज आर व्हाट गुजराती फूड्स. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पंजाब, रोटी, पराठास है ना, मक्के का जो साग होता है ना, एंड सॉरी सरसों का साग है, मक्के की रोटी जो होती है. सो दीज आर द पंजाबी फूड्स. ओके, एंड द राजस्थानी, दैट इज द बाजरा वहां पे कल्टीवेट होता है. सो ड्यू टू इज दैट द मेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ द Rajasthani peoples of the are the bajras. Okay, dalia, roti and dal sabji. And Tamil peoples are eating what, idli, sambar, rice and so on. Okay, so again so these are the food habits of the different peoples. So we seen about that animal sources of food and different habits of the different peoples. Okay, so some steps to avoid wastage of food. अब जो फूड जो अवेलेबल होता है अपने पास में, है ना, so you observing that suppose you are visiting or going to what, any marriage ceremony or anywhere to eat. Okay, so you are observing that the number of people are taking the food at their what plates, and after that they will not intake the complete food and thrown out in the dustbin. Okay, so in this way there is what, the wastage of foods. Another one is you observing that at our home some of the rodents, they are mouses, है ना, they are eating our stored foods. This is also those wastage of foods. And again that wastage of foods on the carrying of the food from one place to another place, है ना. यानी फार्मर के यहाँ से ले जाने के बाद भी क्या होता है कि दुकान में जाता है, गोडाउन्स में जाता है, वहां तक कि क्या होता है कि इन दिस वे द लार्ज नंबर्स ऑफ फूड इज वेस्ट. ओके, So we have to avoid these kinds of practices. Means अपने को जितना लग रहा है उतना ही क्या करना चाहिए कि we are taking or we are serving the food to the plates of people. Okay, and maintaining the foods by insects and rodents and so on. Okay, so these are about what foods. Okay, so we studying in this lesson food come from and what are the main constituents and what is the breakfast, meal and lunch and so on. Okay, so here is what revising complete lessons. Okay, so next we will be taking another lesson. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye bye.